Hello, we will guide you on how to connect your Shopify store with Google Merchant Center. First, go to the Themes section in your Shopify admin. Click View Your Store and copy your store link. Next, go to Google Merchant Center. Click on button Add Online Store. You will be redirected to a new page. In the Enter Your Online Store URL section, paste your Shopify store link and add a slash at the end, and click Save. On this section, select how you want to verify. Select Add an HTML tag or file. Copy the tag from the Guides section below. Go back to your Shopify admin. Click on the three-dot button and select Edit Code. Paste the HTML tag in line 4 before the available code. In the final, click the Save button on the top right side. Return to Google Merchant Center. On Business Information, click Verify Your Online Store at the bottom right corner. And you're all set! Your Shopify store is now connected to Google Merchant Center.